Now we can discuss in this video what is particulate. So as you know that air particles are solid suspended in the air. So airborne particles are basically solid that are suspended in air, and the size of these contaminants, these particular are mainly contaminants, and their size is given in micron. So 1 micron is 1 millionth of a meter. So in English units, 1 micron equal to 1 over 25,400 inches. So micron is very small unit. So the diameter of human hair is about 700 to 100 microns in diameter. So as you know that air act as a vehicle for bacteria and gases contamination, and they move they these particles, these bacteria, these gaseous contaminants move through the movement of people's, movement of material, etc. uh, since many of these airborne contaminants are harmful to products that we manufacture in our pharmaceutical firm and people. So it's very important for us to remove these contaminants and remove these bacteria from medicine, from medical, legal, and social and financial ground. So there are two main sources of particulates. One is external. So external is that the outside, the air that come from outsides, through infiltration. When you open the door, some air come from outside. So these air can carry different contaminants, different air, different bacteria, etc. These are very harmful. And the second is internal sources. Internal sources are mainly the people's, the things, we move material from one place to another. We carry material from outside the room, and these material carry different different contaminants. So these are two main sources of particulates in HVAC.